Are you tired of dry, damaged hair? Look no further than your kitchen for a natural hair mask that will leave your hair looking and feeling healthy. Hello and welcome to a new video on how to make a DIY hair mask using common household ingredients. Begin by peeling a banana, and you can use a blender or a bowl, and in this case I used a blender. Then go in with your avocado. Well, you don't have to follow any particular order as long as you have all the ingredients around or near you. If you're using a bowl, make sure to mix well until you have a smooth, consistent mixture like the one you're going to have after this. This mixture or this hair mask doesn't always smell nice, but it always looks appealing. If you're using a blender like me, make sure to transfer the mixture in a small container or in a bowl. Apply the hair mask to your hair, starting at the roots and working your way down to the tips. Leave the hair mask on for 30 to 45 minutes. For this stage, I recommend you use a shower cap. "45 minutes later, you can rinse your hair thoroughly with warm water, shampoo and condition your hair as usual, and enjoy your shiny, soft hair. I later went to the salon to get this two-strand hairstyle twist, and this is the product that I used if you're curious on what I used for my hair. And voila, this is how your girl was looking. I was looking amazing, and there you have it. It's an easy DIY hair mask that you can make using common household ingredients. This hair mask is rich in nutrients that will leave your hair feeling soft, shiny and healthy. Give it a try and let me know how it worked for you. And of course, your girl was looking amazing, and I hope to see you in my next video.